everyone. I'm Ashley Hunt, Senior Project Management Instructor here at Stormwind Epic Live, and I wanted to talk today about stand-up meetings and being agile. Now, there's a lot of different project management methodologies, PMP, waterfall method, which are similar in nature, Agile, Scrum, and so on. But I find that on any given project, it's really realistic to take a look at the project that you're working on and pick and choose a methodology that's going to work. But one thing that works across all methodologies, including Agile and waterfall methods, is having stand-up meetings. Early in my career, I found out that having stand-up meetings not only is a time saver and a team builder, but we got way more done in a short, quick daily stand-up meeting than we ever did being locked in a conference room altogether for an hour. So I wanted to talk about stand-up meetings. What is it? It's actually exactly what it sounds like. It's a very short, specific daily meeting that you and your team have standing up. That keeps it from dragging on or anybody getting too comfortable. So you're all standing up, and we're going to ask ourselves the questions of, what did we accomplish yesterday? What will we accomplish today? And what are our pain points or obstacles? That's the entire agenda. Now, obviously, you're going to have to work with your team to try and figure out what are the best practices that work for you and your team and your project. But it's always a good idea to create some ground rules, like, will we meet in the same place every single day? And if so, where is that? Is it a situation where the last person to arrive to the stand-up meeting is the first person to talk? Or what are the ground rules that are appropriate for your team? Keep a timer. Set a timer on your cell phone or somebody else's cell phone so that when that buzzer goes off, meeting's over, said and done, ready to get to work. I like to hold mine first thing in the morning so everybody has their coffee and we're all standing around plotting out the rest of our day and keeping to that very short, sweet agenda. I like to have mine in the same place every day. It generates a comfort zone for those that are on your team, and everybody knows where to meet. There isn't this confusion about what conference room should we go to today. Involve everyone on the team, and it's always a good idea that wherever you're holding these meetings, there's a whiteboard or your Kanban board or an area where you can take a high-level overview of what work was accomplished the day before and what direction your team is going in now. Stand-up meetings, short stand-up meetings are definitely going to provide benefits to your project and your team. It allows for daily goal setting, and it also allows for any changes that have come about to be addressed right then and there. It's very short, it's very sweet, usually about 5 to 10 minutes, and that would be the maximum. It helps your team build because everybody's standing there together talking about what they've accomplished, maybe what they need help with, what their pain points are. So there is some team building there. And it's structured in the respect that it's daily, it's in the same place every single day, and you're talking about the same 3 things, but it's wide open. Pain points can change. What we've accomplished today could be different from what we accomplished yesterday. And there's a lot less reliance on technology, like email updates and so on, or long-term meetings. And the goal of this, obviously, which is why it's an agile methodology, is to keep you agile. That means you're able to navigate the difficult waters sometimes of project management as a team on a daily basis. So I highly recommend stand-up meetings and implementing them, regardless of what project management methodologies you subscribe to. Getting your team together on a day-to-day basis can be really important. If in fact your team is virtual, which you might be thinking, it's always a good idea if they're in different locations to assign one person to run those daily stand-up meetings in a time zone that's comfortable for them, and then to report back to the project manager about what was discussed and what directions they're heading. So hopefully that helped you out. If you're already doing stand-up meetings, you know the benefits, and if you're not already, try it out. I think you'll be impressed at how effective those meetings actually are.